Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Onilto once again. My days are nearing for the Spiti Gaza trip. One more addition to my gear. This is a gas canister that I bought from Amazon and it came to me a few moments ago. Firstly, I'll show you the weight of this gas canister. The package weight would be around 540 grams. So this is the whole package weight. Now, this gas canister is from Paramount. So and it's supposed to be it is compatible with all stove burners, okay, MSR or maybe any other stove burners that you have. So, I'll unbox it for you. This is a recent addition to the trip that I'm going to shortly make next month. I've got this because this gas canister works at very higher altitudes as well. Pretty decent material and very fuel efficient as well. Let me open it for you and show you guys what this actually is. This is how it looks like. Okay, I'll open the box for you. This came through Amazon. As mentioned earlier, it works at very high altitudes as well. So, as mentioned earlier, this is from Paramount, so you can check the details as well. Very much fuel efficient and has a clean performance and zero maintenance as well. And it is compatible with all the stove burners that's available in the market, whether it's imported or whether it's local made. So now if you look at this one canister, the net weight of this canister is around 230 grams, and with the gas it would be around 350 grams. Alright, and this one canister lasts for much fuel efficient as well, and it results in lower cooking time. So the cooking time lessens down a lot. Alright, so it is compatible with both propane, butane as well. So you can see it's written over there the net weight as well as the net weight is around 230 grams, and with the gas it would be around 350 grams. So that's how this works, and this is compatible with all the burners available in the market as of now. So good product. The link will be given in the description. You can check it out, and very useful product to carry outside when you go for camping or hitchhiking anywhere where you need these sort of items. Alright, so that's all folks. Okay, just a short video, okay, just to show you this new addition to my gears that I'm planning for my next month to Spiti Gaza. Right, so take care and stay tuned for more videos, and do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe and share the video if you like it. Bye bye, take care.